So question A2 reads, so question 2A2 shows us a diagram of an experiment for separating mixture Q, where the mixture is heated and passed through an apparatus before being collected rather. So part A asks for the name of the separation technique shown in the diagram. So looking at the setup there with a heating, a condenser and a collection vessel, this clearly shows that this is what? A simple distillation. So that's the answer. The setup there shows what? A simple distillation. Okay, so but moving on to part B. So part B asks us to name the apparatus A and state its function. So the apparatus A, the piece with the water flowing through it, is called a condenser. And its function is to cool the hot vapor so that it condenses back into a liquid which can be then corrected. Okay, moving on to question part C. So part C asks us to label the water inlet and outlet on apparatus A. So the rule here is that the water always enters at the bottom of the condenser and leaves at the top. This is so that the condenser fills completely with water, giving the most efficient cooling, working against gravity rather just running straight through. Okay, moving on to question D. So question D reads, give one industrial use of this separation technique. Give one industrial use of this separation technique. Okay, so a great example is a distillation of sewer water to produce fresh drinking water, or the refining of crude oil through fractional distillation, which works on the same cooling and condensing principle. Okay, that's question A2 done. 5 marks, just like that.